everybody to another lesson. Welcome to another lesson of Bucklefish Training. Today we're going to look at using the advanced filter tool in Excel. Okay, so let's take a quick look at that one. As usual, please pause, make notes, and use a computer using one of the Microsoft Office's Excel programs. The main objective in this quick lesson is to filter a data sheet with complex criteria and display the information in a separate location. Okay, so before we do that, we just need to look at what this advanced filter is in Excel. And what it is that the advanced filter is the advanced version of the regular filter. You can use this when you need to use more complex criteria to filter your data set. And if you remember in one of my videos to do with sort and filter, we looked at just basic filtering by a single criterion, or also we looked by using a value, more than, less than. What are the main differences between this one and that one? Well, with the regular filter, you can filter out an existing data set. You can use the advanced one in Excel to extract the data to another location. You can also specify complex criteria such as and or filtering as well. Okay, so let's hop to it and take a quick look at what's going on. So how to use this advanced filter is that basically what we're going to do is that we're just going to copy our headings over here, our labels. We're going to right click, copy that, and we're going to put that somewhere else. Okay. Now this becomes what you call a criterion or a specified criterion. Okay, and it will have the criteria that we want to filter this this data set in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on A2 where our data starts, and we're going to go into data, the data tab, and click on the advanced function. Okay, click on advanced, and it will automatically grab that data for us. Okay, all the way from A2 to G45. Okay, now you're gonna have these three steps to do all the time. So the list range is the range that we are currently highlighted at the moment, and the criteria range is going to be this area here. Okay, that's going to be our criteria range. Now we haven't put anything in there as yet. We just want to show you the steps, but this is where I can put in commands and I can filter out you know, costs, sales, teams, people. I can do all that kind of stuff here. And if I wanted to put this data in another location, I will take this option, and I can put the data in a specific location. Okay, if we choose this one, filter in place, the data will just filter itself in this area here in place. Now it's worth mentioning that this tool doesn't filter, it doesn't copy the extracted data into another worksheet. Okay, it will only do it on the current active sheet. Okay, so what's going to happen here now? Now I'm going to specify some criteria, and this is going to be our and option. So I'm going to say I want to see the area of Central London. I want to see who's done. Let's copy that, Central London. Okay, and I want to see who has sold more than 800. So I can do more than 800. Okay, and this is what we call an AND function because I'm specifying two different options here. Okay, I want the area and I want to see the total that's more than 800. So what we do in that case is that we go through our steps, click in the starting point of our table, click on advanced. Okay, list range is already selected. The criteria range is going to be, this is our little criteria here that we made. And what we'll do for now, we'll filter this in its current location. We don't want to copy it anywhere else at the moment. We can do that afterwards. And click on OK. All right, so it showed me there are only 3 sales reps in Central London that made over £800, and we can see that here. Okay, so that is what a criterion, an advanced filter will do. It will do complex data, and it will filter in place or to another location. Now let's see. We can use an and, or we can use an or method. We can say, well, I want to see those in Central London and East London as well. So we click on East London. There we go. And we can also say I want to see Central London more than 800, and I want to see East London more than 700. Okay, so being an OR function, it will basically give us both the results. So let's go back into B2, click on our advanced data tab. It's already got our data. We need to then select our criteria and click on OK. Okay, so it's given us all the Central London sales reps that's made over 800, and it's given us all the East London reps that's made over 700. All right. So you can see by now how we can use this. This is a very advanced filtering tool very effectively. Finally, let's just see what that will look at if we filtered it into another location. Okay, so it's got the data already. Click on to our specify criteria that we want, and let's filter it to another place. So let's copy it to this location here, and then we click OK. All right, so it's quite good if you want to create sort of some kind of dashboard where you have your main data and you have specified data somewhere else. You can quite easily use this to organize all your data very, very easily. Okay, so thanks everyone for looking at this video, and the main objective was to filter a datasheet with complex criteria and display the information in a separate location.